Greetings from Panorama. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to complete your business assessment using our Panorama assessment tool, from signing up to viewing your reports.
To begin your assessment, visit panoramamas.com and click on the Take an Assessment button located in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the Sign Up page. To create a new account, fill in the required information and click on Create Account.
You will receive 2 emails from us, one of which is the welcome email. The other one is the verification email.
Click on the Verify My Email button or the link to verify your email, after which you will be taken directly to the Sign In page. To sign in, enter your verified email address and password, then click on Sign In. Next, fill out the required information on the Personal Info page. This is your first step in onboarding. Then, fill out the required information on the Business Info page. This is your second step in onboarding. Now, complete the onboarding questions. This is the final step of onboarding. You will now be taken to your dashboard. To start your assessment, you must select a plan first. Click on View Available Plans to proceed. Explore our available plans and choose the one that aligns with your business goals. You will receive an invoice after selecting any of the plans available. The invoice will be opened in a new window. You can save it using the download button that you will find there. Now go back to the previous tab and click on Continue to Dashboard to return to your dashboard. To start your assessment, click on Take Assessment. Answer all the questions in the 8 blocks related to your business. Once completed, click the Submit button. You will be redirected to the dashboard to view your assessment report. Click on View Reports. You will receive an email notifying you that your report is ready. Now, click the View button to read your assessment report. Receive a comprehensive report of your business, highlighting key actionable items to focus on. Click Download Report at the bottom left of the reports page. After clicking Download Report, allow pop-ups if prompted to access your detailed PDF report. Navigate to Compare Reports. Here you can do comparison in 2 ways: user-based comparison to spot differences in perceptions and time-based comparison to track changes over time. Report comparison is available only for standard, premium, and custom plans. Select the assessment reports that you want to compare for user-based comparison and click the Compare Now button to proceed. Compare individual reports to identify variations in employees' perceptions and understanding of the company's purpose, with clear graphs highlighting areas of misalignment. From question analysis, you can look into individual answers from your team to better understand their feedback. On team comparison, you can compare individual reports to identify variations in employees' perceptions and understanding of the company's purpose, with clear graphs highlighting areas of misalignment. For time-based comparison, go back to your Compare Reports dashboard and select the assessment reports that you want to compare and click the Compare Now button to proceed. Monitor your team's progress over time with time-based comparison feature, where quarterly or semi-annually assessments are compiled and visualized. You can download both user-based and time-based reports in PDF using the Download Report button. You can also export question analysis using the Download as Excel button. To analyze your reports with Pan AI, name your sessions for future reference, then select Reports and create a session to chat. Then open the session you created and start chatting. Get assistance regarding everything and anything of your business from our Pan AI. To add colleagues or partners, navigate to the Users section and select Add Users. Depending on your subscription plan, standard, premium, or custom plan holders can add users based on the number allowed by your package. Please note that only the primary account holder has the authority to add users. Additionally, the primary account holder can view and compare assessment reports of added users once their assessments are completed. After you click on the Add Users button, an input field will appear. Enter your colleague's or partner's email address and name, then click the Send button. An email will be sent to the added user with login credentials. The added user can now visit panoramamas.com and click Login button to redirect to sign-in page and use their email and the temporary password sent to their inbox to access their dashboard. The process for taking an assessment and viewing or comparing reports is the same for additional users as it is for primary users. Additional users will have access to a dashboard similar to that of primary users, but with certain limitations. Thank you for using our Quick Start Guide. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@panoramamas.com.